Minim say what te kakra ne yekoso efa eye NPP ahomwa wono mo eboa wo ho eyi wa kandifo ne ade de kwa. Now say ukopiem wo abato kuma yi a wono mo try say wo mo tui e de yi polling station executives ya. Awreho ade bia na meka say party e ko opposition no eya na nsem wo mu de. In fact, it's not much peculiar to NPP. But the ekosu say no, as party ni admit ye, e wo mo release about a half enough no, a half one enough no. Say this is extreme no. I think say baby e konesi e ka ho asem. Na the subsequent elections no ne de ekokosu ni nyina na o matimi ehu. As I speak, Asante Mampong over 100 polling stations I would I see elections no. Emu 15 kro mantimi anwie. Kikiri enyasem ketwa. Shama enso sa. I just want you to come to Facebook, YouTube na yen share the course first of all. Ewo Shama edie no. Emma nkasa emma bratwede. Emma wo de mu election de. Emu ntokwa no kra de nke beye mema nko a na abehwe oba pa se de osi aye bema. Behwe da Facebook behwe de. Hwe de oba eye bema. Agire no kyese nyasem ketua wu. Na guy we nso aba ni mu nso wo mpene. Na ntokwa just because enhyehyɛ ya ye de beto aba no. Yabubi kom na da Facebook behwe de. Nia wuhui eye Shama de a kyese enya asem ketwa na asemba akone se I just want you to watch that of Mampong de ansa na de me woka no makana ohwe Mampong de ya enokra de kyese several places a sa de si ye na hadwene na prosifo gina ho obi kura de osum police ni bi kura se yamenko a en hadwene we eye kufiase de ne esi wo kufiase wo de bra na behwa de kufiase de no we abantie echirim de akosunti amantokwa no ahyase na I want you to listen carefully.
Ahaya kufiase Methodist Church polling station Methodist Church last year omo pa kire say nipa be register ye enyina ni nipa 92 no omo wa burochire omo din wom obi wa burochire omo aga na ha de din wom obi eye NDC nipa de din wom ebi anu asesa ano de nyanwa me mabusuafo me fie me ma me nom me wofa nom me nia ma nom omu nyina
Jeff screen for me
amani nie omo register e baye omu dini nim Nhyira listen no e baye no omu dini nim
enti this is one of the concerns epiem na abantie we kufiase e na ono nso ewo na we eye bra nipa ni bi etu mrika ko printing press se o mahu se Mampong executives ni bi e ko print papers bi abehim e de assistant battle mu na day of elections no paper ben e no mo printing
bi ase ya kan okra o mo print papers woni papers election ben ya ba papers na wo ya ben ma ben a wa sa ba cafe mu hwe se ya bo a mu hwe cafe no mo say printing papers and the aya would say we din kwasi asem we obi atena akunya so for 8 good years what the farm plan to be ye be Mampong Master owner of the shop way. Because Unkula they are working, they are getting profits. What they are weird, Uneska, and Una benefit, and tell Pina do best Juma. 8 years now, why I tell my Pomano, my police, 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 no, police, would affect and peppers elect NPP Okowa. Yes, now why I tell my Pomano.
Enti break ewo eninimu kakra, but this is where ya omuko ya na ye print papers ya. Osha omweni abre pa enyasem ketwa. Na the final one I mean show bra. Omuko pie one of the grounds na ehwo no se nyame amfafia na enya asem ketwa kra ewo ho. Na enya asem ketwa na ode bra Facebook Nhyira 104.5 na bra behwe what actually happened enya asem ketwa kra ewo ho na weye abantie ba ko onu ginaye onu suma detailed accounts of the year ama onu no nso onye comfortable yentie ono so kakra yentie nasem kakra na obeti development na se said ye enoma echo enye ne eka omo ewo ho no ena eka omo asem said ye esi wo. Just listen to them. Okay.
Now, you have guidelines. Yes, you best start in polling station. I started free March 1. It was in March 31st. You're true, you know. You're putting for the guidelines. On the 14th of April to on the 16th of April, we should come and verify whether you're dealing with one or not. There's a to me. You're putting for MIA who said. On the 6th of May, up to on the 9th of May, I was a notice of proofs or whatever. Now, notice of proofs are not, and to me, no be an contested. And to be bad, no more time, sir. Many of Panibia, your fellow Kuba Queen, many ban the course school, meaning educational level, one course school, and to share guidelines at the bar. Yes, a position me, a yes secretary, electoral affairs officer. Sa position there ya the amount bia 77 amako school minimum qualification senior high and to your friend me ka say be secretary me sa man na ekọ no and me raise me concern I catch am say no look let us call a spade not instrument for digging man no minimum on go school the certificate way na man you so your certificate for the bar me actually I check it ehunu ba bi o we school and don't you unqualified me raise ya adani bruhaha ewa ha sei ama MP for say omo ko fie no mo wi ni enti pro no eno no
abantie no tie no a chese ono so wo standi bi a wo prebie na up to day a wo beto aba no kra no wonim ni pa one ne ebe contest ya anye notice of pool na ade a meti kra wase ne se saa asem we be pie regional commander ho e ma ne share executives ne se saa bre na omo ye preparation na wo munye notice of pool mfa nko bobo omo koye small places bi kakra bi about over 100 no omo ye di omo ye akra nu 30 e na omo ka so machine she da nya adwuma ne ade a na omo ja executives no mampon constituency executives no na Chairman Luther Asare and na Malik the secretary for the constituency and omo ehwe se sa no ma nyina ye betoto omo e be fa forms ye be gibibia be ye no ma hwe nso se ye di notice no e be bo ho kama se de se fata na I'm surprised say Malik any Chairman Luther Asare e be hwe ama abatwa processes emra eda ho munye ni sei no wono mo ebe manoma ekomu ebusa. But I'm not surprised because areas I have one of the abaya ye woni pa me ensase kan na wo hwe shama de ya me yichire wo ne bugurugu ho anwan de keka kan mramia bebrebe I won so free wo ba ye no ma ACC wo no a e kire wo pefe say the NPP is not prepared for power in 2028. Simple. But catch you say the problem of the NPP now no a leadership failure. Na se santo tuye no anko yie ampenimfu edi abato ye nim ya ma regional rep aba yesi ma me Esther bi o sei na wa be rep ewo mampon so wo hwe ma bibia timi koso no. All these things that happen, they've complained to her. But Oma watch it on. Ama ene di aduru ni se abano kura na yetoma onti wo ba obu ano ayedin. Na this is the same thing a course MPP abatu oni mun kakra free ase ba esora because ye pese obi ene di MP ye pese ye obi na ono no eye candidate ema amanyuku ni nti no abatu no so de yete ne say polling station executives ya ye yi wo mu yi wa wonti ase ne ma menche wase yi polling station executives ya ye yi wo mu yi wo mu ena kane no nanka wo mu eye ye be yi nipa 5 no makoto MP aba no aka ho ezekra mo se wo de akọ 7 per the new year o ma ye no wo mu na ye to wo mu so aba wi a wo mu be hwese wo no mu be yi electoral area coordinators no mo any electoral area coordinators no so aba yi constituency executive i committee ni nyina na constituency executives na be yi council of elders ama manukuo no ne patrons no constituency wo enti sa akuakuo nyina no ebe to aba ni bi e de yi MP parliamentary candidate e wo primaries na se polling station executive abato no se ya nhihye ni yi a ni aka ekire ebe nyina no se ye squeeze no se in favor obi a na se de aka ekire ebe ni nyina be favor sa ni pakro because koyese ne nkrofo nkoa na be call for polling station executives ne dia na so wo so na be ba be yi wo mo aka no dia na chese ne edemma no kra wo nwene ho kra se abato be ye fair free and fair when it comes to the primaries near there. I started from her. I started from polling station executive elections no it is say obi super say ogine bi no pre no hwe say no ma we ekoso a enya de so obeti ase because onim say ha na edi mia wo kon efri enti MPP ensu ade enfri 2024 election na unlusu yenimu omo nsu ade enfri parliamentary candidates ya womo eheda manipulating bi wo ho registers yeti wo kromu a manipulating registers mani favor candidates ni bi me wi ase no candidate omdo omu gina wo mpesua bi so no na anya de amanfo ne pe enti MPP ni obete ne ho se an ye wiame e wo primaries mu nti mi ko gina kontakro no ubehwe no na constituency ni bi wo ho a sa nipa na wi ni no abe independent candidate afi na amanyuku ni su because onu na nka na nipa ne pe ba ye be manipulate system no agi chinchim ne nsa agi afri ne nsem na ni nyina nso sha ase afri ha se unity anase nkabo mu a party ne pe no se betumi aba it start from here because obidi ya woni mu se ya beto aba no kra no se be ye wiame from the beginning asase no a ye wiame afri ho polling station won executives no omusu ne be gina so ma foundation wo ma be kwakoto MP ya ba nyina no eno ne foundation no so if the base is destroyed where is the trust again amanfo be lose trust no mu fin say nye transparent eje koba ne sa party fo na mani bikura no a ebeto aba ne hu ne ekoso ya wo mu hu se candidate na bia mo de ne bebre no kura nye ono ne ye pe ti wo be hu se party ni vote so ate na ebi nso wo kro makoto skirt and blouse MPP nsua de MPP they don't learn from Nhyira or more firm and so they will continue like this so opposition near mode ejuba ha no omo a ye be chinchim omo nsa wo mu a unsa abante so okọ contest no okoye no ebi wo ho a omo mko register true omo din no so ombeto aba no ye yi bi din afrim eno nkrofo bi din na abehihye mu a wo mko bi wo ho a omo register and he is telling you say bibia koso edru ba bi kra say book yi omo di ko afiefiem o kai say opo man ekun wo register ho wo nhia so say hinfa no opo man ya atwede ekopie mu wo central police station ho because he atwotro din mu fie ehye obi fie no o feel din no say be ye be favor obi ti at the end of the day candidate amubeyi no na enye de party money bebre no akora bi pe at the end of the day no so okono okoto aba general elections no a ode abufuo na ekoti ono an candidate no on to kora ama no because mo ahyeda chinchim sa na mo de omo mpe abesi won so. What is this? If the foundation is weak, you cannot build a strong house. O pese wo si dan foundation no so a why no kora no enye papa e better no si dan no. You have started the foundation on a bad note and you are ready to fail. The ekosu nyina e yesa de no. Now kwa sante mampon kra de no kra de a. Chese airtime. The ekosu na airtime. All in the name say ye pese ye bibia to just favor no performance ye koso asante mampon in terms of NPP. What dey performance no? Come to Facebook na mention wade. We 2020. In fact, ebra yewra adanimu ka say adanimu elusutu eye amprechum ba ya. Wodi vote kakra bi ebeka ho a we appreciate ye that was in 2016 no. Enya 36,532. Honorable amprechum 2020 ni vote so teye. From 76.48% about 69.8%. That's 36,159. Sabra only Dr. Frank Amwako in the regional minister and the contest ye bra Facebook never heard data no. Emma Amwako in appreciate ye from 10,000 votes. Abu sunya de mo no Amwako in be page muko 14,000 votes. Plus 4,000 Edema NDC. Now, Jeff, move on to 2024. Share adeni more performance. It would go back to 2020 the and go back to the one you showed. It won't say adeni mo lose 6.68% net loss. Net loss a buying. Afi famibra current one 2024. Adeni mo eja hwa na eya abrachum de be kan 2016 2020 otis word 2024 wasate so 9.8%. It means that the votes no keep and they drop it. Votes no so about 27,721 obeji free 36,000. Now shesa our performance ya no Yakubu isi for your MCs say wo mampon no appreciating votes. Obeji free Dr. Frank Abwako in his 14,000 or they call 15,486. NDC is always increasing in votes in that constituency. Omu net gain 6.35%, whilst you were losing 9.8%. Because 2024 no cry ten sema koso. Maybe bunu so. And this is how muya into general election the am dey no. It's what you do today. It affects you in the general elections if you don't know. Amanfo de abufuo enti no womo bebrena entwa bakura ma omo party candidates no. Ne ekoso no airtime and I've said it say the NPP is ready to fail in 2028. Polling station elections here ekoso e kire say NPP are you ready so be lose 2028. Because you are weakening yourself for 2028. And your speculation, when your speculation, your is the reality. Because the base is loose. And once the base is loose, you lose your votes. Or party for no may not vote for because omu feel cheated. They feel like things are going. It wasn't transparent, it wasn't fair enough. Candidates executives no am select no and for transparent, fair manner. Until they are aggrieved. I wouldn't be surprised say constituencies be brewa e be independent candidates I will be NPP for. near Coswon, constituencies be brew, me say, a be independent candidates, or independent candidates because of pain, any Omufisi Riawon or the Coswo polling station executive elections. To 2028 in the year, so how do you wear Coswi? You just need to forget, cry. Say it me the album ko shefi na ye trotro album. Wodi frɛ no mami. Na ye ni nkomo. Mami mfansi ya. Amanzan.
Kofi
mami nti.
Na video na mehwɛ na masere saa uhu sɛ kwabrane ani abre